So in the overnight session, the market has tested above yesterday's high, but overall, ES has been balancing in the upper part of yesterday's range. So the bullishness that we saw yesterday is still very much in play, and buyers can maintain firm control above the 52.28.5 to 34.5 pre-market support. Now, our intermediate and bigger picture bias will continue to be bullish, and our short-term bias will be neutral only because we have the FOMC announcement this afternoon, which is a major catalyst and can trigger a directional move either to the upside, to a fresh all-time high, or even to the downside. So because we're now approaching this catalyst, which can result in a move in either direction, it makes sense to keep our short-term bias as neutral, but with the understanding that the overall environment has been bullish, and if ES is holding above the pre-market support, then even the intraday bias would be leaning more bullish. But then in order to get that intraday bullish indication, we'll need to see a breakout above the 52.44.5 to 47.5 pre-market resistance, and in order to get a bullish confirmation, we would need to see a sustainable breakout above the 52.50 to 56.5 initial resistance zone, which marks the all-time high. And in order for us to get a sustainable breakout, we would need to see signs of initiative buying. So that means we'll need to see broad market strength and sustained upside momentum, and ideally the Nasdaq also participating in the upside move. And in the event that we do get a successful breakout, keep in mind that above 52.56.5 there is no hard resistance, but based on the range expectation, as long as the pre-market support zone is holding and then we get a breakout above initial resistance, there would be potential for ES to test 52.66.25. That's a level that should get tagged relatively easily, and then the 52.95.5 to 53.05.5 area is the range exhaustion zone, and 53.17 to 26 is the range extreme.